Hey everyone, hope you're having a happy new year. Just wanted to let you know we've got some exciting online courses coming up at the end of this month. If you are a certified healthcare professional, a physical therapist, doctor, chiropractor, body worker, we're having our first ever virtual online OS Clinical Reset course. That course is designed to help you get your patients back to their life faster. It teaches you how to press reset, what it does in the nervous system, how to look at your patient as the individual that they are, what resets their body might need. We even go through the OSA, the original strength screening assessment, so that you can quickly see what reset your patient needs the most. Again, that course will be January 30th and 31st. If you're a certified healthcare professional, check it out. You even get, depending on what state you're in, your continuing education credits if you're a physical therapist or professional. We also have, for personal trainers and healthcare enthusiasts, we have our pressing reset courses coming up. We have one on January 21st and in the first week of February also. And if you want to further your education, we have our Pro Reset course. So pressing reset goes into how to press reset. Pro Reset goes into what is going on in the body when you do it and how to add load to it when you need to. And again, Pro is for more of a deeper dive into pressing reset. And it also included in Pro is the original strength screening assessment. So if you're a healthcare professional or a fitness professional, the OSA itself is worth gold. You can totally help somebody really fast with the OSA. You can change your life with it. But not only that, you can change your business because it makes you more effective at what you do. But anyway, these courses are coming up at the end of the month. We hope you'll check them out. You do get your continuing education credits for it, especially if you're a personal trainer. If you're a healthcare professional, depending on what state you are, and you get your continuing education credits for that as well. I forgot to mention the Pro Reset will be for our people on the other side of the world, all of our Aussie and Singapore friends, and if you're just not on this hemisphere, on the other side, that one will be later in the day for us, but daytime for you guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful new year. It's 2021, yay. And we will see you soon. Have a great day, guys.
Just head on over to originalstrength.net, scroll down and click on courses. Find the date of the course that you want to attend, or simply find the course you want to attend. Click on that course for more information, and we hope to see you soon.